guys, once again signing in YouTube. So guys, I want to show you another tutorial of my own, and you know me, I want to do it fast and easy, so let's start. The title of my tutorial is this: Uno Mas Tutorial, Yahoo Booters Mac YB B6.0 Y Republica Style. How to use this, okay? So let's start the ball game. Let's start. First, you must open the program, and you do. Okay, you do already open it. Then you choose senior. First, this is the ID. This is the password. Okay, this thing. Then the room. You type in. Okay, the room there. Then join room. Okay. H47 6A TD. Okay. Submit. There it goes. Okay. It goes. Okay. And okay. Okay. It goes. This is my ID. Okay. Now, this is the ID, this is the password, right? ID, password. ID, password. Already put the password, okay? Then, login voice. Here. Click login voice. There it goes. Now, let's see if it has a voice. Okay. There. See? Now, it has a voice talking, okay? Now, it login voice. Now to have, just click auto beep. Now look at the room. Okay, it has a arrow already. Okay, it has a visual already when you click the auto beep. Now the interesting part of this is, look. Okay, I will leave this guy. See, that's you, that's me. See, my ID is blinking. Okay, just like a Christmas lights, on and off. That's how Mac YB works. Okay, see, I have to ignore in the room. Yeah, there we go. You can put in another ID in there. Okay, example, we'll put again another one here. Then type in the room ID, password, the room. You type in the room, you join the room. Okay, log in first, you log in, then join the room. Then RY WJ BAG RY5. Okay, it's RY5. Submit. There it goes the room, right? Now once you put in your ID, you must wait for 2 to 3 minutes to click in the login voice, okay? For you to have no voice error using Mac YB. That's how Yahoo chatroom do their works when it comes to BC. Okay? Because if you click in login voice, it will get error. So wait for 2 to 3 minutes after you join in the as you can see, I just joined in Melinem. You must wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the other ID to log in your voice. Example, I will log in voice. Look, it will get error. See, voice token error. Okay. So, but if you wait for another 2 to 3 minutes, it will not have a voice error. Okay, guys. So this is Uno Mas signing out. See, voice error. Okay, and see you on the next tutorial. Okay, so bye bye.